There, this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom. In this video, we are going to do all the quizzes in the Systeme.io certification program. If you have not done this one yet, I highly recommend that you can click the link in my description below and then go through the training to understand the system. This really helps to boost your business because you know how to create your own funnels. You do email marketing, etc. So if you are new, you should take the courses. It's completely free to go through. And for some of you who might do the test and then you failed, you do not know which one was the right answer, it's all right. Just do it yourself. Go through the trainings to sharpen your skills about funnels, about email marketing, about everything, and then come back here to this video because I will help you to do all the quizzes. But make sure, make sure that you see this video after you complete all the quizzes yourself and you still failed. It's all right because I did it before, I failed, and then I have to retake the test. All right, without any further ado, let's dive into it. In the main dashboard and contacts. For the first question, what is the specific feature code in Systeme.io that allows you to categorize your contacts list into different groups? You are going to choose this one, tags. As a Systeme.io affiliate with the affiliate ID like this, which of the following URL should you use to correctly promote the Systeme.io homepage? Well, you're gonna do the question mark and SA equal and your affiliate ID, this one. Which of the following statements are true about the marketplace in the Systeme.io? This one is a little bit tricky. You know, I failed it before, and you gotta choose these three except for this one. Affiliates can only promote offers through opt-in pages, not sale page. Just don't choose this one and choose three of them. Which of the following features is missing from the Contacts tab in the Systeme.io? Now choose sending emails directly to contacts from the Contacts tab. Okay. What does the email activity filter allow you to do in the contacts list? It can identify contacts who haven't opened or clicked your email since a specific date. Now let's move on to funnels. And we are in the funnel tabs, all right? So for the first question, what is the purpose of the squeeze page in the funnel? We're gonna choose to collect and save leads. The second question, what are blocks in the context of building pages in Systeme.io? So they are pre-made elements to help you build your pages quickly and easily. Moving on to the next one. What is the difference between a simple block and a master block? You choose simple blocks do not change across all pages when edited, while master blocks do. Next one. What is the purpose of Systeme.io's A/B test feature? Well, you are going to check on this one to test two different versions of the page and split your incoming traffic between them evenly to determine which one performs better. This one, which page is typically used to present the main offer in detail and contain text blocks and buttons? Definitely sale page. Which payment option in the order form allows customers to make indefinite recurring payments to subscription? What is the purpose of using available substitutes in the email editor? And this one, you want to provide personalized information to subscribers, and then you hit send. Yeah, that's it. Now move on to the next one. Moving on to blocks. This part is easy because it has only 4 questions. First one, what is the purpose of the block layout editor in the Systeme.io? Choose this one, adding elements that appears across all pages of the blog. What is the purpose of the blog posts listing elements? Well, it displays the latest posts published on the blog. What is the purpose of categories features in the blog? It organizes posts into different topics or themes. And finally, which page of the blog allows visitors to send messages to the owner? That should be the contact page. Then hit send. Done, right? Now, move on to the next part. First question, which trigger can be used to set an automatic action when a contact completes an email campaign? You gotta choose campaign completed. Which trigger should you use if you want to set an automatic action when someone clicks on a link in an email? Of course, it's email link clicked. Which option allows you to split the path of an action in the workflow? It is add a decision. In the workflow example, what is the purpose of adding a delay after checking if a contact has a specific tag? It's to wait for 1 day and hit send. Yeah, that's it. Let's move on. Product quizzes. For the first question, in the product tab, what information can be accessed in the order section? Choose customer email address, information about the product, and the order's fulfillment status. When creating a coupon in Systeme.io, what is the purpose of setting a limit of use? For this one, it will restrict the number of times the coupon can be used. What is the purpose of automatic post approval setting when creating a community? This is to determine whether members can publish a post without approval. This is obvious. One must be chosen in the order form to enable the delay feature for courses within a course bundle. For this one, choose strip content. Which of the following is unnecessary when creating a course in Systeme.io? We can choose all of the above. Adding a course description, uploading a logo, choosing a theme color, or selecting a payment method. The content is the most necessary. In Systeme.io, which options is available when editing a lecture? It's all of the above. Done. Let's move on to the next part. In Systeme.io, which options are available on the subscription page when canceling a customer's subscription? We're going to choose cancel immediately or cancel on the next payment date. Which of the following allows you to view the payments made by your customers through your funnels order form? Is transactions. On the subscription page, what are the 3 status options available to filter subscription? So there will be active, cancelled, or completed. Choose this one. We have emails. What option allows you to preview how your newsletter will look in your inbox before sending it to all of your contacts? You gotta save and send a test email. Which email addresses are allowed to be used as the sender's email address? So there are several kinds of emails, and you will choose email addresses from the main email providers. But it's highly advised to use professional email addresses connected to a custom domain name. How can you add contacts to an email campaign in Systeme.io? Contacts can be added manually by selecting their tag group from the list or automatically through automation rules or workflows. What is the main difference between newsletters and email campaigns? Newsletters are more dispersed and don't necessarily follow a sequence, while email campaigns are coordinated sets of individual emails sent across a specific period of time with one specific purpose. Why does Systeme.io monitor the specific email statistics of each account? This is to identify the risk category of the account based on the email performance. Next, we have account settings. Where can you add your personal information like display name, first name, last name, country, and city in Systeme.io? Is profile settings. Which settings allow you to add a tracking code like Facebook Pixel or Google Tag to allow to all of your funnel pages that are gotta be sale funnel settings? What's the purpose of affiliate program settings tab in the Systeme.io? Is to establish commission percentages and payout condition for affiliate program. How can workspace members be invited to collaborate in Systeme.io? By clicking on workspace members setting tab, creating an invitation and provide the email addresses. Then we hit send. Done. Finally, we got get your certificates. Congratulations, you are Systeme.io certified. Follow the instruction below to get your official Systeme.io certificate. Contact our support team on this page. Be sure to provide them with the exact same email that you used to register for this certification. Provide our team with a name that you want to be displayed on your certificate. Our team will be in touch shortly with your own personalized certificate. So you just contact the support, right? And then you provide them with all the information needed, and then you will be certified with your certificates. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions related to Systeme.io software, feel free to reach out to me at facebook.com workwithsydney or hithanhdotcom/Facebook. Thank you for watching and bye bye.